Hey, so I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. I got already my base, don't have eyebrows done, or I haven't even set my foundation yet. I'm literally just started doing my makeup. So I thought I'm gonna do a quick review video of this brand new Fill and Fluff NYX Eyebrow Pomade Pencil. I took in the color Espresso. Haven't even opened this yet, have no clue whatsoever if it's any good or bad or what to expect. I think the color should match me as I do use NYX brow pencils and I usually take color Espresso, so I'm not worried about that part. But I mean, I'm not sure about that brush and all. I haven't opened it yet, so maybe it's so good. The pencil itself is triangle. It reminds me a lot the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil or the actually Revolution one. It's exactly triangle shape. It's kind of good that it's triangle shape because the sharper part you can draw it like proper line, and then the thicker part, the actual triangle, you can fill in the brow. And then this brush, it reminds me of a tiny toothbrush. I think without any further ado, we should just try and fill in the eyebrows. So what the picture shows, because we have like a little demo picture on the front, the picture shows to outline the brow a bit and then brush the product to the middle. So I'm gonna try to outline slightly the brow to the shape that I want it to be. By the way, my brow started growing like crazy. I started using the IGLOW brow serum. I used the lash serum and my lashes, honestly, like this is the longest I ever had, especially after having the lash extensions. I did a video review on this. I'm gonna link it here so you guys can check it out. But now I tried the brow serum and I've seen the result after just 2 weeks, which is so bizarre. Couldn't recommend this more, but if you want to check out the lash one, the videos on my channel, you'll see the difference between, you know, how my lashes look before and after, and I can see the result already on my brows. I'm gonna use the brush part now and just brush up. How does it show on the picture? Yeah, it shows to brush horizontal strokes rather than vertical, so I'm just gonna try and do that. You know, in my opinion, this kit, this brush and the pen itself is for the thicker brows and for those who have, you know, more brow hair rather than spare brows, as the brush is big kinda, you know, and then the pen itself is not the smallest, it's not the precise one, you know, the tiny like micro pen or something like that. So if you have close to no brow hair, I think this might not be for you. Haven't used the brow pen for a while. I actually been obsessed now with a Revolution Pro brow cushion, eyebrow cushion. I use one in chocolate and use a brush. Amazing product, by the way, waterproof and all, sweatproof, tested by me, by my super oily skin. We'll see how this gonna work, but so far I don't think this is anything proof, just because you can brush the color like this. So yeah, I don't know. I need to wear it all day. I mean, if I'm gonna use the setting eyebrow gel, should be okay, I think. I'll take a tiny bit of the concealer on the brush and kind of tidy up the eyebrow. Tidying up with the concealer gives you more precision, plus it lifts the brow up because concealer is lighter than your foundation, so it's like 2 in 1. I quite like it so far actually, and it wasn't too hard to use, just to outline the brow a bit and then, you know, brush it off with this super fluffy brush. You can tell the difference between two brows for sure. So I'm gonna do the same on this brow now. I have some product on the brush already, so I'm gonna do now a bit different technique. I'm gonna brush the brows with this, with the product what's left, and then, you know, outline and fill. Okay, time to fluff it up. I'm trying to do in the little stroke motions. So first I go a little bit vertical up from the line that I draw, and then I go horizontal. Let's tidy this brow a bit with the concealer again. So still got some product on the brush, I'm not adding more. By the way, it's 8 in the morning. If I look a bit sleepy or puffed, because it's early morning. Just brushing the brow hair into place, and I think we are done. It didn't too long, I mean it's super easy to use. I think I'm just gonna add some brow gel. So this one is NYX Control Freak, a clear brow gel. Just gonna add this on so the brows would stay in a place all day long, because as I mentioned, I don't think this eyebrow pomade is waterproof and sweatproof, but the brow gel should help. I mean, I've been using this brow gel now for a while and it's really good, so I know it's definitely gonna work. Alright, and I think we are done. At first, to be honest, I didn't really like this concept of this super fluffy brush, fill and fluff, because the brush is honestly, it looks like a mini toothbrush. I mean, it definitely works. It took literally no time to fill the brows, as you've seen. Super easy to use, but I think this is for more, you know, bigger brows, rather than if you have super thin brows or close to no brow hair. I think this is not a product for you. I would rather recommend you to go with a precision brow brush. Yeah, it would just be so much easier rather than the chunky one and, you know, chunkier brush. The brush itself for the smaller eyebrows might actually work, but I think this brow pen might be a bit too big and too wide for a smaller brows. So my verdict about this, it definitely works. It's a good purchase as well. I think it costs a tenner if I'm correct. It's cruelty-free and vegan-friendly brand, as you probably know that NYX is. Super affordable and took literally no time to fill the brows. So if you have brows similar to mine, like a longer brow hair but a bit spare, you know, then it's super easy to fill and to use. So thumbs up for me for this product. Have you actually tried this product, this Fill and Fluff Eyebrow Pomade by NYX? If so, leave a comment down below and let me know. And let me know actually what's your favorite brow product. Do you prefer a brow powders, a brow pen, brow pomade as a, you know, actual pomade, the cushion things? Yeah, what's your favorite? For me, it would be or brow pen or brow cushion, because I've been obsessed with this. So yeah, what's yours? So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Ciao for now!